Worried about someone stealing your Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus? You can set up built-in theft protection to keep your phone and data safe instantly. Open Settings, and then go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap More Security Settings. Start with Theft Detection Lock and turn it on. This feature detects sudden motion if someone grabs your phone and automatically locks the screen, keeping your data safe immediately. Next, enable Offline Device Lock. This locks your phone if it suddenly loses network connection. So if someone tries to turn off data, Wi-Fi, or remove your SIM card, your phone locks automatically. Now, turn on Failed Authentication Lock. If someone enters the wrong password, PIN, or pattern multiple times, your phone will lock itself. This protects your device from guessing attacks or unauthorized access. Finally, turn on Remote Lock. Whenever you want to lock your phone, just on this site, send the command from your other device and it locks instantly. And that's it. With these settings enabled, your Galaxy S26 Ultra is much safer from theft and unauthorized access. Hope this helped. Thanks for your time.